Every single machine that's out there digging knows what's going on. Max Bright & Sons was incorporated in 1985, and so we've been in business for 32 years. We started off predominantly a plant hire company and now predominantly contract works for government departments and private customers. Our business started with Cat machines with the 955 track excavators, and that continues today. The majority of our fleet are Cat machines, excavators, graders, articulated dump trucks, bulldozers, skid steers, compactors. So for our business, the purchase of the latest equipment is absolutely critical. It separates us from other people who have older type equipment. It's important to us from an environmental perspective that we have machinery using less fuel. We want it to be cleaner and we want to be seen to be cleaner. The critical things for us in terms of the 336 purchase, being a hybrid, it uses a lot less fuel from an environmental perspective to have the Tier 4 final engine. Technology is key for us. We like to be able to track what the machines are doing, what hours they're doing on a particular operation, particularly with the 336, so we can ensure that when we're loading trucks off-site and paying for those loads to go off-site, they're not leaving the site overloaded. Our current 336 that we bought, as opposed to our 336 DL, it's significantly better fuel consumption, about 6 litres per hour less, and in terms of production it's considerably higher. It seems to have more power, it's faster, it certainly seems to be a lot smoother. From an operator perspective, it's a lot nicer to operate. We're very happy, it's ticked all of the boxes. It certainly exceeded what we expected. The payload system and the technology pack was what was most important to us. We've recently done a project where we had a connected community. All of the machines were reporting to a point. We could track what machines had done what, how much had been excavated, how much had been hauled, what machines had hauled them, where it had been placed, what compactors had placed it, what compaction they'd got, how many passes they were doing. You do know with the 336 that you are putting on X amount of tonnes. Having a connected fleet allows us to track production. It gives us a competitive edge when tendering because we know what's happening and we can track it, so that affects our pricing on the next job because we know exactly what we need to do. One of the benefits of this technology in having a 3D sites is it eliminates to a large extent the need for surveyors on the ground within the machines area, so there's a lot less risk. That is good for us. We have a good relationship with our dealer. The parts availability is good here, and the Caterpillar dealer here has done well from that perspective. The Cat 336F is delivering more for Max Bright & Sons. I mean, it's delivering a lot more.